Hey everyone, welcome to Asana and Harold's video. Today we are fishing at a private lake in an upstate New York. We are here with my son, his partner, and Joe.
There you go.
Here we are, family of three,
Hey, pretty good, Joe.
4th of July fishing
That
trip
works, baby.
on a private lake.
Do what we did. Talking about cob jobbing that bad boy.
Hold up that paddle for a little bit. There you go, homemade. Let's see, between the sons and the dad, who's gonna catch the biggest bass?
Me. I'm gonna let you fish mostly. Now you can probably just cast that behind the boat, let it float behind the boat. You probably get a fish. Careful. That was a good catch for you. Boy, I was right next to that shoreline.
Ooh, that's a good cast. Come on, bass, I know you're in there. Whoa, almost caught the tree.
Come on, man. Got some good action now. Look at that thing moving underneath the water.
What should that had?
Ooh.
It was right there.
I caught. There you go. The biggest crappie in my life on this thing last time. Not here though. So, I'll give her a shot. Let me show you. Let me get out in the water. So hold that pole for a second so I can show you.
What is this? This is a goldfish?
I think goldfish, yeah.
Goldfish.
I love these rowboats. They're better than kayaks because you can take a lot of people on them.
Look at
A lot
that.
of boats so
Isn't it
bad.
nice?
Every year I try to get a boat.
Oh, it's so pretty. It looks just like real fish.
You see the goldfish coast like that? On days like this, what I would have done for a box of worms.
Yeah. We forgot the worm. If I were a largemouth bass, I would eat that goldfish.
After about an hour of casting, we didn't even get one bite. So we were here last week using the same fishing lure that we are using right now, which is the yellow perch lure. We caught fish after fish after fish, as you can see in this video. This is from last week. So we gave up with the fishing lure today, and the boys went out to buy some night crawler, and we'll see what happened after that.
when you're cooking in the woods and no knife. Everything is hand on and the nails work.
Oops.
And everything's on the ground.
Put it back in there.
Good to eat.
Doesn't matter.
Some grass, some weed,
The
a
bugs
little
are good.
bit of ants, a little bit of beetles.
The bugs are
Yum.
good for you.
This is a Thai barbecue or Mu Kratha, people. We didn't catch any fish yet. When we do, we're gonna throw it in the soup. And now we're just gonna prepare when the boys come back, and hopefully we'll get some fish in the pot. Beautiful lake. Yep. Nice day to spend the 4th of July.
I got a nice, beautiful fake rubber worm in my box. I don't even know fake rubber worm. Going in. I'm going in, Joe. Only 8-pound test, man. We're going in.
That one. First fish of the day.
Finally.
On a fishing rod.
Get that behind me. I'm working on you right there.
I'm in the weeds too, so I don't know how big it is. Oh no, he got me tangled in the weeds.
Hold up, buddy. Don't pull it too hard.
Yeah, I got him on there. Oh, he let go.
You sure?
Yeah.
I thought that last time.
No, he
too.
didn't. He didn't. Yeah.
Hold on. Well, he fucking told me he let go, so I said, I'll come along. There you go.
Oh yeah, you got one today?
Uh-huh.
Turn it sideways. There you go. Yep, now we see it.
I hear you.
Well, you got one. It's sitting in the boat right now.
having a top water, weed free.
Yeah, but we gotta get out of here for a little while. Back to the fishing out. I've always tried top water, those weed-free lures. I get a lot of hits. I've never hooked anything with them. This paddle works pretty good though. Billy will be happy. Got a little something there, Sonny. You might take your break up a little tiny bit.
I did.
You break me tight down.
There you go. That's not even a big one. You have a hard time reeling it in. Bluegill.
That's a
No,
nice
it's
size one
a
there,
rock
too.
bass.
Little rock bass, yeah. It's a decent sized rock bass.
Oh, he's a wallow.
Too many rock bass.
Seems like all the action is on the worms nightcrawler today. Just last week, the same lake. Everything's on the lure.
Oh, I got one. Hold on,
Nice,
stop.
in the deep too.
Oh, crap. Come on in, baby. Oh, come on. It's big, I can tell.
Oh, nice job.
Pretty. You reel him in?
I'm trying, man.
Left waiting here.
Oh my God, he's so strong.
It's coming up.
Okay, now you're just dragging that out, man.
No, here he comes.
Oh. Hookfish.
Got him.
Yeah, I can't tell what it is though. It's coming up quick though,
It's,
whatever it is.
Oh, big
perch.
yellow
Look at the size of that yellow
perch.
perch though.
I was almost going to get the net.
I like yellow perch.
Nice perch.
That's not a bad one. Maybe the biggest one I caught that one day. But it's big.
Well, that was ridiculous.
Let's see it.
Poor fishy, come on. There. How's that, Sala?
Nice.
shit. It's a really big one, Joe.
Comes this fish out of it.
I thought it was a snag.
What is it?
I thought it was a snag. He's coming in. He's running towards us.
I got it. I got it.
Coming in fast. Come on, jump. Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa! Bring him to the net. Bring him to the net. Where is he?
Still under the
know,
water.
okay.
Pretty deep.
It's pretty deep, Joe. Hold
I
on.
see him now.
I see him.
I see him. He ain't too bad.
Oh.
Sana.
Nice.
That's two in the boat.
All I can do is troll for you. Well, we got something to go home with at least, eh?
I hear you.
You go. You. Are you dragging something?
Yeah, we're right on top of each other, probably.
Slow down and reel it up. Go out again.
Oh, she's not near me. Oh, do I got a fish on? I do have a fish
That's
on.
what I thought.
Oh, I lost him. Little tiny one. Big fish.
Yeah, we'll put him up on the worm.
It's gonna put my pole away and just film Harold's fish.
So, on the other side of the boat.
It's a big rock bass.
Yeah, big bass. Big rock bass. That's a good size.
That's what was hitting me out there.
That's good, man.
What you did to me?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
What happened?
Big fish.
Oh, we both got one at the same time.
I'm helping with Son to be free.
Oh, yeah, man. Hit mine. Oh, I got crappie.
Yeah, bluegill.
Bluegill. Fuck. Want to keep him
Sure that's a fish, Masada?
Yes, it's fighting me. It's tucking.
Yeah, it's coming. Something coming.
That little pole, careful, honey. It's only 6
You want
pounds.
to keep this
on it.
bluegill or no?
I think it's got me in a weed.
Harold?
No, it's still on me.
No.
It's coming.
Tighten her reel up. Her reel is loose.
Don't tighten too much.
It ain't tightened at all.
It's coming up. I
Can't
can
help
see
her,
it.
okay, Joe?
I can see it. It's coming up.
You may.
Wow, that's a lot of hair. See, I did Harold.
From a worm.
Oh, I'm trying to do a lot of jobs here, so.
Here you go, guys. Largemouth bass on a worm.
Surprisingly, that's the only thing that's worked today.
Yeah, last week everything hit on fishing lure. Today everything hit on worm.
Whoa, don't hook me. We don't need none of those hookers. Watch out. It's your fingers. Check your line and hook and make sure you don't have no big nicks, okay? Where is it?
Everything's up good.
Somebody got a piece of it.
I got a little fish.
Got another one. Oh, that's a big one.
A little one.
Whoa, look at the size of that monster.
Jump!
Get your worm up quick. You know how to do it by yourself? With pliers? Okay, good. I can keep fishing there for a while. There's the pliers right there. It's so much easier. Here, like this. Use a pair of pliers, man. Hold the fish. That's hold the fish, but okay. Come right off, see? Well, at least we caught something finally. Jeez. I didn't think we were going to go home empty-handed that time around. Must have been too early or something. We got more variance than last time already.
Yeah, that yellow fish is nice.
Yeah, that was a
Just
big
want to
one.
catch some crappie.
One of
We
my
have
favorite
more
fish
variety.
too, man.
Oh, I got him.
Do you?
Wow, as soon as it hit too, huh?
Right in the teeth.
That's what we're trying to tell you all day.
I've been doing it.
There's a lot of fishies out there.
Oh.
Come on, jump.
Water must be too hot up front, man.
What's the weed?
This is a nice one here. Oh, I can
might have beaten us this time.
Maybe.
You got it. One more.
Big.
These guys are killing me here.
Actually, it doesn't feel that big.
Oh, look.
What? Oh, crappie!
Wait, don't lift the crappie out of the freaking water. Give me some slack here. Hit my hand. Your worm's still there too.
Gonna see sideways? There you go. Nice fish. Oh, I got a bite.
Did you get it?
No.
Missed today. That happens.
Another bite. Hook it! Oh, I lost it.
Oh, that was a nice one too. He's probably still chasing it.
I don't know if I have any worm left.
Joe, get out of there.
Catch your fish, watch. You go get mad. Oh, oh.
I know you didn't catch it. I can tell the sounds when you actually catch something when you don't.
Still got one left. Joe, don't you do it. My
Go
fish.
Go ahead, throw it out there. With
Oh, I lost my worm. Now you can do it.
Around this
I
side.
got him one. Yeah, baby.
I can't find the net.
Deep out in the I got the net behind me here.
Drop it in the water. I still can't.
No, I don't think it's that big.
Well, okay. I'm that handy.
What is it?
I don't know. Try not to swear. I want to use the footage.
Son said stop swearing.
Oh,
It
you
came
let
off.
him go.
Son said stop swearing.
Oh,
It
you
came- I could. I let it go.
You let my fish go because you didn't want me to catch another one.
Yeah, okay, that's what it was. He took that baby off at the last second, man.
Yeah, after you beat him with a net, I'd jump off
Beat him with
too.
the net. You yanked him out of the water too quick. Boy, they really take your pole down deep, eh?
Uh-huh.
Thai barbecue.
Yep.
Chopstick, rock, a pan, and
Bunch of old
a
people.
henny to stir it.
Bunch of old people.
A wet hen. Where'd you get this pan?
Straight from Thailand.
Ordered it.
Yeah.
She ordered it from a Thai website. Isn't that kind of cool? That's neat.
Happy 4th of July bonfire. And as Harold and Joe fishing in the lake,